Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here is Wei. I'm a second year student studying in Imperial College London. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my room during my second year study and what I have done to make it comfortable for my daily life. Here are some general information about my room. It is located in the Kensington area, near to the Gloucester Road tube station. It is a 4-bedroom apartment and I share the common areas such as the kitchen and the bathroom with my flatmates. My room is roughly 13 square meters in a rectangular shape, and it costs £250 per week, excluding bills. My flatmates pay for different prices according to their room sizes. For me, this room was ideal in the sense that it fits all my prior requirements. First of all, 10 minutes walk to my department. Second, less than £230 per week. And the third, spacious. This room doesn't belong to the college accommodation system. Our college only offers accommodation for first-year undergraduate students, so from second year on, students need to find their own living space. If you guys would like to know how I find an ideal room in the Kensington area within a budget, please comment down below and I would like to make a separate video telling you guys my journey of finding it. Just like wearing a new pair of shoes, it takes time to make them truly comfortable for our feet. The more we wear it, the more they fit our feet. Adapting a new empty room to your lifestyle will make everything so much easier and gives you a happy mood. But this won't be done in a click. It would be a spontaneous process. Let the room grow with you. Divided the room into different functional corners according to my need. First of all is my working area. It is a combination of my daily study area and a flexible space for other activities such as painting and yoga. Entryway, I set up some pins for hanging keys and a room rule card I set for myself. Once I enter this self-space, I have to follow them. They keep me self-disciplined. One of the major things I've learned living alone as an international student in London is to accept different versions of myself and treat myself as a friend to live with. These rules act as a reminder when I spend time in the room, and they're achievable and flexible for changes after a period of time. Here is the entry shelf where I change shoes, throw my bags and mails. Recently, I always clean my hands on things carried outside on this platform after coming back. The printer is not used for a while since I have my iPad, and I store most of my lecture notes electronically. Each term, I would make a calendar and make all the deadlines on it, so that I could plan the task weeks ahead of my deadlines. Most of the time I'm on my desk working, and I prefer to keep all the files in the side table and keep the desk empty while I'm not working. Here's my bookshelf / fitness kit / charging spot, and for so many other stuff. I came up with this idea when I saw those storage units on Amazon. They were flexible to assemble, and I bought 12 units and ending up with this arrangement. The storage space could be accessed from both sides depending on how the doors are installed. The shelves act as a separation in my room so that the bed is not directly exposed when I open my room door. And it keeps most of my clutters out of sight. I would link the storage units down below. Apart from work, I love playing the piano. I got this keyboard from my friend and it fits so nicely next by the window. I also bought the first piece of furniture in my life, this green velvet chair with wheels underneath. You see it in different spots in my room. I keep my diary book and the books I recently read on my bedside table, as well as scents I collected. I use the diffuser every night with a drop of scent for meditation. As you could tell, I'm an art lover. I put some of my favorite art pieces on the wall, but I change their layout sometimes. This room is my little universe. I spend a lot of good time in it. It might not be a style for everyone. I would say a room shows a person's living style and personality. No matter what kind of space you are living in, you can organize it and make it comfortable in your own way.